Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will share with you top 4 practical things you must do after you receive your residency interview invitation. If you do not want to miss all those 4 practical tips, keep watching. My number 1 tips for you that after you receive your interview invitation, give yourself credit because no program will offer interview unless they are seriously considering that candidate. So if you got the interview, you are already 50% in that program. That means program is seriously considering you. Now you need to win the interview to match into that program. Always remember to celebrate your success, even that is small, because when we celebrate our success, our brain get reinforced to be more dedicated for our next target. So be your own cheerleader because you have earned it. There are a lot of candidates who are still waiting for that wonderful interview opportunity. However, you have it now. So celebrate. The next thing you must do is that know that program from top to bottom. Google them. Go to their web page. Because in this virtual era, majority of the programs took their time to update their websites. After you know everything from their website, go to their social media. Look into their Twitter account. Open their Facebook page. Know everything possible. After that, know your interviewer. Read their faculty profile in the hospital website. In addition, you can also look into their LinkedIn page. I would not recommend to review their Facebook page because it goes beyond that professional boundary. After you have learned everything from the web page, social media of that program, try to find any resident or any faculty who is currently working or maybe worked before, so that you can learn about the positive things about that program. You can know how do they run their didactics. Remember, if you know the program well, you will be already prepared for that most commonly asked question, which is, why do you want to come in this program? Or why do you want to see yourself in that next 3 years? In addition, if you learn about that program thoroughly, you will be able to ask thoughtful question at the end of your interview. Make sure not to ask the information which is already available in their website, because it means that you are not dedicated enough, you do not have that much passion and interest for that program. As an interviewer, if I see that one candidate is asking me the same question which is already available in their website, I will lose the interest for that candidate. My third tip for you is that you must want to have that positive visualization. The research study has shown that when athletes visualize themselves that they are performing well, it significantly increased their performance. I want you to apply that same technique for your interview as well. So visualize yourself that you are doing wonderful. You are answering all those questions so well that your interviewer is so happy with you. Imagine yourself that you are confident. You are able to answer all the questions very concisely. I bet you that this positive visualization will be also help you to improve your interview performance like athletes. My last tips will be for you is that if you want to excel in your interview, practice. There is no other alternative of practicing your common questions. You do not have to memorize all of them, but practice them so that you can tell them between 1 to 2 minutes. One more thing. If you did not get your interview invitation yet, do not give up. Your day will come. Keep trying. Another most important thing I always tell students that do not be discouraged if you have a small number of interview. I know that sometimes people get panic when they see that their friends are getting 20, 25 interviews and they have only 1 or 2. Always remember, you just need one interview to match. The friends who are getting 25 interviews, they cannot do residency in 25 programs. So prepare yourself well enough that even if you have a small number of interviews, maybe just one, give your 100%. Show them the best version of yourself. Be confident. Definitely, if you have more interviews, it will increase the chance of matching. However, if you have a small number, if you have just only one interview, take that 100% advantage of that awesome opportunity, because that is valuable for you. That's why I'm telling you that keep practicing from now. So whatever opportunity you have, you can get that 100% advantage from that. If you want me to make other resourceful videos for you, please subscribe to my channel. Please like this video as well as share with your friends. I will see you in my next video. All the best.